Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I will be making pepper choka. If you want to see how I do this simple recipe, keep watching. For this recipe, you will need just 4 ingredients. Young green Congo peppers, onions chopped up really fine, oil, salt, and a mortar and pestle. I'm using this one here. I got it in Trinidad and I have it over 30 years. I love it. Start with a medium to low heat and a wire rack. You're using a wire rack because you want to get the flame on the peppers and you want to get a nice char go in there with it. You don't just want to get it black. You need it to cook slowly so that it get that roasted nice taste from it. And so that's what we'll do here. We'll just put them on and let it roast slowly here. We're going to turn this until it's evenly charred. You want it all over, almost on the black, or whichever color you prefer. I like it black. So you see it's roasting there already. Oops, almost lost one. It's getting like that, yeah. So I'm going to start turning them. It's been on the fire for about a minute and you see you're getting it black there. These are what you want it to look like. See that? Look, this one it's on green on the other side, so we'll leave it for a little bit longer. This one, look at this one, lovely. This is the color, it's all over. This is what you want it to look like. So I'll start taking out the ones that is ready and then I'll put some more on. So it took at least, I think it took about maybe 2 minutes or so. My peppers are finished roasting and I'm going to start grinding them in my mortar and pestle. You can use, if you don't have one of these gadgets that I have, you can use a mini food processor. You can use your seer and lorha. You can use a cutting board and chop it up really fine. You can use whatever is comfortable for you. It may come out the same way. So I'll start by grinding mine. This is what you want it to look like when you mash it up. So I'm going to put these guys here and put in the other ones. Smells so good. I'm going to add my onions now. Just put the onions over it like that. Add your salt in. And while I'm doing this, my oil is being heated up on high heat because you want to get it really hot so that it can sear the onion so the onion doesn't go bad in it. And then we'll cover it when I finish with that. The oil is all heated up. You see the smoke that is coming? That's what you need. You need it to be really hot so when you throw the oil over it, you hear the sizzling sound going. So it helps to cook the onion a little bit so it lasts longer and the onion doesn't have a raw taste in your mouth. And then I'm going to cover it with a saran to let it cook a little bit with that hot oil that I just threw in there. You don't want to cook it on the stove. Just the cooking from the hot oil here will do the trick that it needs. And just for a few minutes, you're going to leave it like that. 2 or 3 minutes that I have it covered, so I'm going to take the saran wrap out and I'm going to give it a mix. Easy, simple recipe, so delicious. Wasn't this an easy recipe? I like eating it with dashing bush bhaji and rice, or even my sandwich bread and cheese. It goes well with that. If you like my recipe today, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. This recipe you can use. Or you will need it.
Well, for this recipe, you will need...
Okay. My peppers have been roasted.